Hello, Henry again with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. Who else? We're out here in Stafford, Virginia. Hoorah. It has nothing to do with military. I don't know why I just did that, but yeah, let's go ahead and give you a tour. Pet stains, gross. We're going to take care of it. Carpets really need to be changed, especially when you look at this one. I don't know what the homeowner is trying to do, but they're moving out. The tenants are moving out, and I don't know if they did this or what, but I will be changing these carpets for my next tenant. That's how it's supposed to be. You want the best tenants, you gotta present them with something suitable other than this. But you know what? That's why we're here, Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners, out here in Stafford, Virginia, doing carpet cleaning. We're gonna do these 2 rooms and treat it for pet stains, pet odor, and high traffic areas, and hopefully we get the best results. So like always, I would do some interim videos as I'm working, and then I'll shoot you the after. All right, bye. All right, so we're gonna agitate this in. I'm not gonna do the whole video or the whole room in this video. Time is we have a busy day today, so I just want to show potential clients a little bit of what we're doing here. So this is called the CRB. I'm sure if you've been watching this channel, you've seen this quite a bit. Yeah. Right, that's before the agitation and after the pre-spray view of what the carpets look like. So when you're offering an pet odor treatment, I always advise that somebody what you use this piece of equipment here. I always advise that. Not always, not all the time, I would say. But in critical situations like this, heck yeah. Look at the transformation just with the scrubbing. Imagine what it's going to turn out looking like with the flushing of the fibers. Amazing. Like I said, I'm not going to do this whole room. Just the areas that are really bad, so you can at least see the benefit of using a scrubber. All right, stand by. right, all set. I honestly cannot believe these are the same carpets. Honestly. I mean, wow. I mean, besides this right here, this looks brand new. Let's go to the master. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Wow. Look at that. Amazing work. The owner's gonna be so happy. Oh, the tenant, I should say. And the owner too. Look at that. No games here, man. Legit. So we are the best at flushing carpets, okay? Flushing carpets, flushing the fibers. You can think this is clean, but it's truly clean because we really extracted dirt out of there. We didn't just do one rinse. We did 2, 3, 4 rinses till we were satisfied. This is a true clean, guys. Really true clean. So if you need services, man, Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners, a veteran-owned company. We're out here in Stafford, Virginia, cleaning carpets. Let us know if we can help you. For sure, we are always there. Give us a call. Book now. Go online. Just schedule. Just go online. Just schedule. Just schedule. That's all you have to do. Just schedule. I'll see you. I'll contact you. I'll confirm it. Let's go. Let's make this place clean, man. You know, this looks beautiful. Wow. Okay, I'm done.